Welcome to the factory tour. The factory is where we utilize the latest technology combined with business growth strategies that we've proven over the last 15 years of internet marketing and the best campaign building practices out there so that you can get the most out of your Keap account. So the first step before you get into the factory is for you to get really clear on what your business needs to be able to grow. Maybe you need more leads, so you need a lead generation campaign. Maybe you need to convert more leads to sales, so you need a sales campaign. Maybe you need to do better nurturing, or maybe you just need to automate the work that you do. In either case, once you're really clear on what your business needs, then you log into the factory to submit requests. So come with me, join me on the factory floor for a quick tour. All right, once you're in the factory, the first step is to submit a request. Let's just assume that I have a company called Tyler's Surf Shack, and I sell various different things related to surfing. At this point, I've decided that I need more leads, so I've written an ebook. My ebook is called The 5 Steps to Selecting the Right Surfboard. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the name of my request here. The 5 Steps to Selecting the Right Surfboard ebook. That's the name of my lead magnet. I'll click to continue. At this point, our system identifies, based on what you've typed in, the type of request that you're looking for. In this case, it's a lead magnet delivery campaign that offers an ebook, a free report, guide, cheat sheet, videos, etc. Here it shows me that the fair market value for this campaign might be around $500. So if I were to go out on the market and just hire any random person, on the low end, I'll probably pay $500 to get this kind of campaign set up. Down below, you'll see the estimated completion time, 3 business days. So within 3 business days, the factory should have my campaign built and ready to go. So I'll go ahead and select this as my option. If that's not the option I'm looking for, then I can scroll down and look at other options that might represent what I'm trying to do. So I'll click this one, and here's where the factory gets really exciting. The factory now guides you as the customer through the process of getting this campaign submitted correctly. We provide best practices, and you can select whether or not you want to utilize those best practices, and then you can provide adjustments and customizations based on your business. So first, we're recommending, in this case, that you send 3 emails to promote your lead magnet to a segment of your existing list on the following schedule. So here I can decide, yeah, you know what, I don't want to promote my new ebook to my existing list. So I can uncheck that option, or I can leave it checked, and I might want to only send 2 emails to my existing list, so I can adjust the settings there. If I do want to send 2 emails, then I can specify here immediately, 2 days later. So as my segment of my list goes into this campaign, they'll get an email immediately, and then 2 days later they'll get the second promotional email. Now, those emails will drive to a landing page where people can request the lead magnet, in this case, my ebook on 5 steps to selecting the right surfboard. So here we're asking you, where would you like us to build this landing page? Now, if you already have a landing page built, you can uncheck this option, no problem. If you'd like us to build the landing page in the factory, then we can do that on your WordPress site or with the Keap landing page builder, or we can actually use a lot of the different builders out there. You might just specify down below. In this case, I'll choose my existing WordPress site. Here, you can choose the layout for the landing page that you would like. Our team can build any type of landing page you'd like, but this helps us get an example or an idea of what you're looking for in your particular business with this particular lead magnet. So choose a landing page you like, or if there's a URL that you already have identified as a landing page that you'd like, you can put that in the comments down below. In this case, I'll choose this option here. That lets our team know that we'll start with that as a basic layout design, and then of course we can customize that to match your business. Obviously, we'll usually need to build a thank you page so that after people fill out the form to request a lead magnet, we need to send them to a page. So again, if you don't want that option, you can uncheck it, but we'll leave that checked for now. We typically send 1 delivery email to deliver the actual lead magnet, and then another follow-up email if the contact hasn't downloaded or clicked on your lead magnet, and then you can determine here when that gets sent. 1 day after sign up, 5 days, whatever you'd like. After the delivery of the digital lead magnet, you can then start another campaign. If you'd like us to do that, leave that checked and tell us which campaign you'd like the contacts to automatically flow into. We'll also, by default, set up a dashboard report to track opt-ins. If you don't want us to do that, again, uncheck. Down here, the emails. Who should the emails come from? What email address? Which signature? Is there an existing template that you have inside of your Keap account you'd like us to use? All of these things are options that you can define for us. Down here, you can describe any other modifications or details for this request that we'll need to know in order to build it correctly. We recommend that at the point of submitting your request, you upload any copy files, design files, things like that, and then go ahead and submit your request. I'm just going to type in here ASAP, please. Once your request is submitted, you'll see confirmation there, and then you can click on My Requests. You'll notice that in this case, my request is at the bottom of my queue. I've already got 2 other requests in the queue. When the team picks up my next request, they'll pick up this one first. If I'd like to reorder those, that's fine. I can just click and drag. So I'll go ahead and put my ebook at the top because that's my top priority at the moment. So now at the next cutoff time, which happens every day, my 5 steps to selecting the right surfboard ebook will get pulled off the queue and it'll go into working status. The factory team will work on it and then it will get delivered back under this tab. I'll get an email notification. After revising as many times as you need, that campaign is then launched and put into the archive status. At that point, the next request is pulled off the queue and the team starts working on it right away. I hope you enjoyed that little factory tour. As you can see, the factory is the most cost-effective and efficient way for you to get value out of your Keap account. So go ahead and sign up today or request a consultation with one of our team members who can help you determine if the factory is the right thing for you.